Hey everyone, this is Design CS. I am back with new interesting video on Figma. This time I have bring you the new updated features in Figma. Now let's begin our video. Dark mode for Figma is here, available on desktop and web. Choose between light or dark themes, or let your system settings determine the theme. Use variable fonts to broaden the possibilities of your designs and typography with a wide range of font styles and features. Use custom or preset spring animations to prototype natural and fluid transitions. A redesigned auto layout lets you create fully responsive designs with new layout options, a redesigned properties panel, and on-canvas controls. Use component properties to add built-in customisations to your components and reduce variance, creating a simplified design system and a smoother developer handoff. To find more about others' detailed features, go the link in description. If you like my videos, then please hit like and subscribe the channel for more such content. Till then, stay safe and thank you.